So I have this cordless vacuum cleaner. It is just a few months old and it is having this problem. You turn it on and it turns off. The battery is fully charged, but every time you turn it on, it turns off. And when you try to charge the battery, it gets extremely hot and it turns off. So I contacted the company. I had purchased it through Amazon, and they said that it seems that the battery is malfunctioning. So if you buy this battery alone, it is, I think, $70 or $80. So they said that it is under warranty and they are going to send me a new battery. And within, I think, 2 or 3 days, I got the new battery. And now I'm going to put in the new battery and see how it performs. So this is the battery of the vacuum cleaner, which is causing the problem. Just wanted to show you. So just to show again, the problem is it turns off. So now I'm going to replace the battery with a new one. This is the old one and this is the new one. So no issues. So it has been a great product, has worked wonderfully well, and this battery problem and the warranty response has been great. So in case you also have some issue like this with the battery, you can have it replaced. It's a great vacuum cleaner. I've already done its review and I found it to be a great product. Thanks for watching.